Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make your own WhatsApp stickers on Android. If you want to make your own WhatsApp stickers on your Android phone, you just need to follow these steps. First, open your WhatsApp app and here just select the chat which you want to send your own stickers, and I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it. And now just tap on sticker option. Here's that, tap on it. And here you have a new feature which is create. Tap on it and then it will open in your gallery. You just have to select the image you want to create as an image. As I'm going to do this one, so just tap on it and then it will successfully create it and into a sticker. So just tap on send and that's how you can send your own stickers to your WhatsApp. And you can add them to your favorites. As you can see, I have already added him. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.